This edition of Mac Voices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of world-class software like PDF Pen for Mac, PDF Pen Pro for Mac, PDF Pen for iPhone and iPad, PDF Pen Scan Plus for iPhone and iPad, Text Expander for Mac, and Text Expander for iPhone and iPad. Learn more about all their great products at smilesoftware.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner, and this is Mac Voices in Las Vegas at CES and Showstoppers. Folks, this is our annual visit with our friends from TripIt. If you listen to the show at all, you know I love TripIt. I'm a big fan, and I don't want to travel without it. And Jen's going to tell us what's new. Jen, it's good to have you.
Hi, Chuck. Thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. It's always a pleasure. And every time I talk to TripIt, you seem to come up with something that makes my travel life just a little easier. And in today's world, it really needs that.
Oh, yeah. Well, our entire focus is on making the traveler's life easier. We can bring any booking to us. You book anywhere you want. We're going to bring all of that information together in one place. So in the interest of making your life more simple, we've been spending a ton of time this year working on design and trying to ease some of the pain points even in just using our product. So you'll see a brand spanking new design. It looks super clean, super beautiful on both iOS and Android, also on the desktop. So we've been doing lots and lots of work there. We're also spending a huge amount of time focusing on getting you from point A to point B and sort of the last mile of your trip. So thinking about ground transportation. So we have a partnership with a company called Rome to Rio that basically provides transportation options anywhere that you want to go. For example, Rome to Rio. But even if you're trying to get from here to the airport, what's the best bet? You can just, with one tap, find out all of your options, how much it'll cost, and then figure out what's the best option for you. So those are some of the things that have been cooking, and we've got some brand new things coming out in a few weeks that we're really excited about but can't talk about just yet.
Darn. Tell me off camera. So the Rome to Rio thing is really intriguing. I assume you include ride shares in there, but also public transportation?
Also public transportation, trains in areas where it makes sense, boat, really any possible. If you're in a city, it might include walking, it might include subway, so really all of your options. If you fly into Heathrow, you may not know whether it makes more sense to take a taxi or take the tube, and if you're trying to get in more quickly, maybe it's the Heathrow Express, but Rome to Rio will help you find the best option for you.
The one thing that always intrigues me about TripIt, because when I travel, I'll have my airline app running, I'll have TripIt running, I'll have a couple other apps running.
Yep.
Almost invariably, TripIt notifies me of things ahead of every other service, even the airline itself, if there's a delay or a cancellation.
Yep.
How do you guys do that?
We hear that a lot, and I can't promise it will happen all the time, but we get data from a lot of different sources, and we apply some proprietary logic on top of that. So with all of the work that we're doing on it, it's not surprising that sometimes we can beat out the airlines. I really love to hear it when we're first, and we're trying to be there for you in every possible scenario, make sure that you can get where you need to go.
Well, and now with Apple Watch on my wrist, you know, I get those notifications even if I'm running through the airport and don't hear or feel my phone in my pocket.
That's right, and you don't even have to put down your bags, right? You can just take a look. You'll know when your gate has changed, and you can veer off in the right direction immediately.
It's a terrific service, and it's one that, and especially if you're booking travel way out, and with hotel reservations, plane reservations, sometimes you honestly sort of lose track of what you've done and what you haven't. TripIt's a great way to have it all consolidated in one place. And to remember what you've done.
Exactly, and if you're taking a lot of trips, sometimes I can't even remember which hotel I'm staying at for which trip, so it's really helpful to be able to pull out TripIt and see at a glance where I need to go.
What is the current pricing for TripIt?
So TripIt is free to use our basic itinerary management and sharing tools. If you want to take advantage of some of the other bells and whistles that we bring on for the busy traveler, the frequent traveler, that's TripIt Pro, and that costs $49 a year.
And so I'll tell you right now, folks, all you need is one misconnection, and it'll cost you multiples of $49 a year. So, you know, it's not travel insurance. It's just, it makes life so much easier.
Oh yeah, well, and as you know, Chuck, you can get some great discounts with TripIt Pro. We've got some special VIP benefits. We also track refunds, so if the price of your flight goes down, we'll send you an alert so you can call the airline, and some of our customers actually are able to get great refunds that way, and it makes the price of Pro, you know, pays for itself immediately. So.
And I've had that experience, and I didn't believe it would work, and it did. They credited my account, and it's like, wow, this is, you know, this is amazing.
I love to hear that.
It's amazing.
I love to hear it.
So where do we send people to to sign up for TripIt?
You can sign up for TripIt in the app stores, of course. You can download the mobile apps, or you can just go to tripit.com.
Excellent. Thanks so much, Jen.
Thank you very much.
Folks, please visit tripit.com, check it out, tell them Chuck sent you, and they'll say, who? This is Mac Voices in Las Vegas at CES and Showstoppers. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes, links to subscribe, and to connect with Chuck on Twitter, Google+, Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, SoundCloud, the Mac Voices blog, the Mac Voices Dispatch, our weekly newsletter, and on Mac Voices magazine, free on Flipboard that helps you do more with your Apple tech. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CacheFly at cachefly.com.